In 1961, the world stopped for a moment. The Jaguar E-Type rolled onto the floor in Geneva, and suddenly, every other car looked old-fashioned. I mean, just look at it. Those impossibly long curves, the low-slung nose, the sense that speed was built right into the metal. It was race-bred, sure, but it was also pure art. Enzo Ferrari himself called it the most beautiful car ever made. And honestly, who's going to argue with Enzo? But the E-Type wasn't just for the super rich. Back then, it undercut Ferrari and Aston Martin, making it the must-have ride for everyone from footballer George Best to TV star Simon D. In swinging London, this was more than a car. It was a ticket to cool. Fast forward to today, and the E-Type hasn't lost a single ounce of its magic. These cars are coveted, restored to Concours perfection, and sometimes even reborn as electrified E-Type Zeros. Imagine that. 60s style with a 21st century soul. Collectors are scrambling for the early Series 1 models, and prices keep climbing. It's not just nostalgia, it's smart investing. But here's the thing. The E-Type is more than a museum piece. Whether you're drawn to the legacy, the looks, or that spine-tingling straight-six howl, this Jag proves icons don't fade, they evolve, growing more desirable as the years go by. So whether you chase heritage or pure horsepower, remember, with the E-Type, you're not just driving a car, you're living a legend.